Dhiarmada Uí Dhonnabháin Rossa represents the real old Fenian flame. You know, this is a 19th century hero who has fought for the cause, who has suffered terribly in British prisons, who has emigrated to America.
The authorities in Britain thought they would get rid of him, and it was probably the worst thing they could have done. As Ó Donnabháin Rossa then set up his dynamite plots and dynamite schools in New York and fundraised for another Irish rebellion. He died in 1915, and no one does funerals better than the Irish, no one does political funerals better than the Irish. It was the Irish Republican Brotherhood, supported by the Irish Volunteers and the Irish Citizen Army, who conducted the funeral here of Ó Donnabháin Rossa on the 1st of August 1915.
It's a very highly choreographed event. Tickets are sold for it. It's quite hard to get into the cemetery unless you have some pull. The crowds line the streets. And the Ó Donnabháin Rossa funeral is one of the great mobilising events, and it's when Pearse makes his extraordinarily moving and affecting speech.
The fools! The fools! They have left us our Fenian dead! And while Ireland holds these graves, Ireland, unfree, shall never be at peace.
That was the call to arms. That was the irrevocable signal that Ireland was going to rebel.
The government are organising a series of state ceremonial events, and the funeral of Ó Donnabháin Rossa on the 1st of August will be the first of 40 events. There's going to be a reenactment, and there'll be a reenactment of Pearse's famous oration at the graveside. We'll have a military presence there, the army will be there, the President and the Taoiseach will be there, and I will be there to represent the state. So it will be a really respectful and appropriate day, and it will not be a day for triumphalism, it'll be a day to remember and solemnly remember those who lost their lives.